Most entrepreneurs think the moment they're behind on payments, their credit score is doomed. But here's the truth. You can actually be late, stressed, and scambling and still avoid any late marks in your credit report if you understand how the system actually works. Give me the next few minutes and I'll show you exactly how payment reporting works, why being late doesn't always mean reported late, and the three-step strategy that keeps your score clean even when life happens. Because life is going to happen. It happens to everybody, no matter what age you're at, how old you are. If you want a plug-and-play system for managing your payments the right way, my free school group, Get Business Credit Fast, is going to walk you through how to never get hit with late pay marks ever again. And also my free Facebook group called Free Credit Repair with AI. I'll go over everything money management and credit management inside of there. My name is Carrington, and I help entrepreneurs fix their credit, get access to real capital. In every single video that I'm going to make, I give you one practical strategy you can implement today. Nothing held back, no sales pitch, just real help. I've been creating content since 2020, so I got all kind of videos on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, not even Threads, dating back, giving out so much free game. This is just another one of those you can take and implement today. Most entrepreneurs think that being behind, missing a due date, or juggling bills automatically means their credit score is about to tank. They panic, they shut down, they avoid the account completely. But here's the hard truth. You aren't reported late until you're 30 days past the due date, not the day you missed the payment. The window is where people either save their score or they destroy it. Here's what most people do when they fall behind. Miss the due date and assume they've already been reported late. Avoid logging into the account entirely. Stop paying altogether because the damage is done. Or pay other bills first thinking they're managing, but actually digging deeper. Ignore the credit calls because of shame, and they just spiral emotionally instead of strategically. This kills me every single time. This is why they don't work. Because banks don't report you as late on your credit until after day 30. This means if you're 3 days late, not reported. 12 days late, not reported. 21 days late, still not reported. 29 days late, it don't matter. It's still not reported. After day 30, this whenever this shit gonna hit your credit score and your score is gonna tank. The problem entrepreneurs make, they don't know they have a 29-day window, so they give up way too early, and the system punishes ignorance, not lateness. We're gonna fix that today. So this is step number one. We gotta identify the true timeline. You gotta know your 29-day protection window. 29 days, really, because you need an extra day so you can get stuff done properly. You're not reported late until after day 30. You have a rescue window. Understanding this immediately lowers your anxiety. Step number two, we need to call the creditor and request a goodwill adjustment window. A lot of times you can call the banks. It could be a mortgage company, the credit card company, the auto loan company. You can ask them to extend the payment due window. That way you can give you a lot more time or update them on what's going to happen. A lot of other credit repair business owners like to tell their clients that you can call in and request a one-time goodwill adjustment. If it ever becomes late, it's going to show up. As soon as the late payment hits your credit reports, they're going to remove it most of the time. I personally don't like doing that because it works. You got like a 50 chance of that actually truly working, but you can give it a shot. What we do is just dispute the inaccuracies. Neither use a cash flow system as a last step. That way it never happens again. So the way that I like to help entrepreneurs track everything is by showing you how you can use credit as leverage to become bankable. And that way you can scale your business by using systems and automations. Because once that's in place, you can focus on growing the business and not managing it. That way you don't get fumbled and fall behind by doing 30 different tasks when you don't have the time to do so. It will cause you to fall behind on your bills and in life. So I'm teaching you the difference between being late and actually being reported late. There's a big, big difference. You got to know the same because it's not the same. If you want to protect yourself from ever getting hit with a 30-day late, you got to use the Profit and Credit Power Pack or my free credit repair using AI group or to become bankable. Each one of these free systems is going to help you. Join a community of like-minded people that's going to help you handhold you. That way you never have this issue ever. Because instead of just guessing or panicking, you're going to know your dates. You're going to know the rescue windows. You also want to know how to communicate with the creditors or the banks, whoever you might be communicating with. And you're going to know how to stabilize your credit profile. This is how entrepreneurs stay bankable even in missing seasons. Because in business, we all going to have missing seasons. A lot of highs and a lot of lows. It's just a cycle, but you got to know how to stay calm and manage that.